Escuchar música. And I think Hassan said that too. Escuchar música, another common hobby. This means to listen to music or listening to music. Escuchar, escuchar right here. This verb right here means to listen. Also, it means to hear. Hear, listen, same thing. In Spanish, escuchar. Música. Música, remember the accent mark right here. Música means music. And now let's look at an example. Oops. Escucho mucho música rock. Okay? Escucho a Queen, AC/DC y a los Beatles. Okay, escucho mucho música rock. Why am I saying mucho and not mucha? Because música is feminine. That's because, I mean, you can, but you can also use mucho because we're talking about rock. El rock. Believe it or not, even though this is an English word, in Spanish it's masculine. El rock. And that's why I have mucho. If you say escucho mucha música rock, it's fine. It's not a big deal. But because we're talking about el rock, we're saying mucho, okay? I can actually remove música from the phrase, from the sentence, and I can say escucho mucho rock, and that's fine, okay? But anyways, let me tell you what this means. This means I listen to a lot of rock music. I listen to Queen, AC/DC, and the Beatles. Okay? La música rock music. Okay? And once again, well, we have the verb here. Escucho. Again, we're not using the pronoun at the beginning because we don't need it. Yo escucho. I listen to, in this case, mucho música rock. Okay? Escucho mucho música rock. Or you can also say, it's flexible, guys. Escucho mucha música rock. Because you have two terms here, right? So you can get away with it. You have la música and el rock. So you can get away with this being feminine or masculine. You can, as I said before, remove música and just have mucho rock. Escucho mucho rock. I listen to a lot of rock music, okay? And that's also perfectly fine, but let's just leave it there. So you have another option. Escucho, again, I'm saying escucho a, because you want to say I listen to, right? In this situation, Queen, AC/DC is the same like rock bands and any band in Spanish. And if that band is, or musician, has an English, pronunciation, name, you can just say it in English. You don't have to say can or AC/DC in Spanish because you don't need to translate that. You call Queen anywhere you go. AC/DC, same thing, AC/DC. And same with the Beatles, right? The only difference here is if you have a band that is the Beatles in the situation, you have to change the with the definite article that you need. in this situation, los Beatles. Okay, that's something interesting. These are little tips, tricks to, to help you master Spanish for sure. I mean, I love Queen, AC/DC, and the Beatles, so I just needed to have an example using, having those bands there. Anyway, remember, means and then Los Beatles, the Beatles. Excellent. By the way, well, there's different kinds of music, of course. So you can change this to different things. For example, música. What other kind of music genres? Pop, música pop. That's a common kind of music. Música pop. Okay? And escucho mucho música pop. You can also say mucho here or mucha. That's fine. Now let's just leave it like that. Música pop, pop music. We have música jazz. And that just means jazz or jazz music. Música country, that's also a term in Spanish. Obviously, country is in English, but it's commonly used in Spanish. When talking about electronic music, man, that changes. Electrónica. Hang on, I need to fix this right here. Música electrónica means electronic, not electric, electronic music. Okay. Escucho mucho música electrónica. That's fine. You can also say hip hop, I guess. Hip hop. Okay. Escucho mucho música hip hop. That's correct. So yeah, usually just leave the music genre as is, but except when talking about electronic music. Yeah, quite interesting. But anyways, música rock. Okay. I mean, you can capitalize this, right? Rock. Música rock. Rock music. Do I need to? I don't know. I'm not sure if it's necessary to capitalize the genre. I think so. But anyways, you know what I mean. Escuchar música means to listen to music. Listening to music, another common hobby for sure.